Good morning, Seminole Nation. This is Mr. Gonzalez, 8th grade math and algebra teacher. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about solving equations on a calculator, okay? First of all, you get your calculator and they'll be reset when we test. So you got to go in there and go to Window. Window is right above the Mode button. You press your window and you will see that the cursor is blinking on the -10. That's our X minimum, X maximum, and then Y minimums, Y maximum. So we're going to add zeros to that. So if our answer is more than 10 and less than -10, it will still pick up the answer. It won't give us an error. So I usually tell my kids to add 3 zeros and make them 10,000 on the X minimum, Y minimum, and X maximum and Y maximum. So the scales, you do not have to change and add zeros on those, just where the -10s and 10s are. That's the first thing we'll do. And also you want to put an 8 on the RES, which makes the calculator graph faster, and that'll be the quickest way to get your answer. So after I set my equation, my window, then I go to put in my equations. You go to Y equal, and you'll see that Y1, and there's a Y2. So right now I'm going to show you the problem we're doing. And it says the length of a rectangle is X plus 5 and its width is X minus 3. Find the value of X if the perimeter of the rectangle is 40 centimeters. And it gives you the formula for perimeter. So it says 2 times the length and 2 times the width equals your perimeter. So we're going to have to set up our equation. So we set up our equation first. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. And one side is X plus 5. The other side X minus 3. So if that's X minus 3, this side is X minus 3. If that's X plus 5, this side is X plus 5. So what I do is tell my kids, okay, so we're going to add all these sides. So X plus 5 plus X minus 3 plus X plus 5 plus X minus 3 is equal to 40. That's our perimeter. So there you have two sides of the equation. Now in your calculator, all you need to do is either enter them like that, but some of my kids combine like terms, which is another way to put in your calculator, but most kids will put it, and the X key is right beside the alpha key, so that's how you put your X. So X plus 5 plus X minus 3 plus X plus 5 plus X minus 3. And then you go to Y2 and enter the other side of the equation, which is 40. Then to get your answer, you go to second. If you see the word calculate up there in blue, C-A-L-C, and you know to access any blue key, you need to put the second button. So you go to second, trace, which is calculate. And you'll see your menu, and you select number 5. Number 5 is the intersection. That's our answer. And see how it graphs it very fast? When you put the resolution or the RES at 8. And then you keep on hitting enter until it gives you the word intersection. And there is the word intersection. So our answer to this problem is X equal 9 and Y equal 40. Well, if you notice, Y is our perimeter, so that's 40. But the side, and they're saying in this problem, says solve for X. So the answer would be X equal 9. Okay, thank you.